Finding the right pubic hair trimmer can be a challenge, especially with so many options available. A good trimmer should offer precision, comfort, and efficiency. In this video, we'll review the top 5 pubic hair trimmers for ladies that stand out for their performance and features. Whether you're looking for a trimmer that's gentle on sensitive skin or one that provides a close shave, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the details. Kicking off our list at number 1, Philips BikiniGenie. The Philips BikiniGenie is designed specifically for intimate grooming, making it an ideal choice for those seeking precision and comfort. With its sleek design and user-friendly features, it offers an effective solution for maintaining a well-groomed bikini line. Key features: the BikiniGenie comes with various attachments, including a trimming comb and a bikini trimming head, allowing for customizable grooming. It features a rounded blade for safe trimming and a built-in light to ensure you don't miss any spots. The trimmer is cordless, making it convenient for use in any setting. Benefits and usage: this trimmer provides a smooth and clean trim ideal for sensitive areas. Use it with or without the trimming comb, depending on your preferred length. The built-in light helps ensure precision, while the cordless design offers flexibility during use. Usability: users appreciate the BikiniGenie's gentle operation and ease of use. It's easy to handle and maneuver, making it suitable for those new to intimate grooming. The battery life is decent, and the trimmer is simple to clean with detachable parts. Durability: the Philips BikiniGenie is built to last with quality materials. Its durable design ensures that it remains a reliable option for regular use. However, regular maintenance and proper care are essential to keep it functioning optimally. In the second spot, we have Braun Silk-épil Bikini Styler. The Braun Silk-épil Bikini Styler is a versatile grooming tool designed for precision in intimate areas. Its ergonomic design and multiple attachments make it a popular choice for achieving a well-groomed look. Key features: this styler includes a range of accessories, such as a precision head, trimming combs, and a shaving head. The trimmer is waterproof, allowing for use in the shower or bath, and features a rechargeable battery for convenience. Benefits and usage: the Braun Silk-épil Bikini Styler offers versatile grooming options, from trimming to shaving. Use the precision head for detailed work and the trimming combs for uniform length. Its waterproof feature makes it easy to use in various settings. Usability: users find the Braun Silk-épil Bikini Styler easy to use, thanks to its ergonomic design and multiple attachments. The waterproof feature adds convenience, and the rechargeable battery ensures you're never left without power during grooming sessions. Durability: with a robust build and high-quality materials, this styler is designed to withstand regular use. Proper cleaning and maintenance will extend its lifespan, making it a durable choice for intimate grooming. Coming in at number 3 is the Panasonic electric trimmer for women. The Panasonic electric trimmer for women is crafted to offer a gentle yet effective grooming experience. Its design focuses on providing precision and comfort for maintaining a well-groomed look in sensitive areas. Key features: this trimmer features a hypoallergenic stainless steel blade, adjustable trimming combs, and a sleek, ergonomic design. It is waterproof, allowing for convenient use in the shower, and has a powerful battery that supports extended grooming sessions. Benefits and usage: the Panasonic electric trimmer delivers a precise trim and is gentle on the skin. Use the adjustable combs to achieve your desired length, and the waterproof feature ensures ease of use in different settings. It's perfect for those who prioritize comfort and efficiency. Usability: users appreciate the trimmer's smooth operation and ergonomic design. Its hypoallergenic blade is gentle on sensitive skin, and the waterproof feature makes it versatile for various grooming needs. The long-lasting battery adds to its convenience. Durability: the Panasonic electric trimmer is built with quality materials, ensuring its durability and reliability. Regular maintenance and proper cleaning will help maintain its performance and extend its lifespan. Taking our 4th spot is Remington Trim and Shave. The Remington Trim and Shave is a versatile grooming tool designed to handle both trimming and shaving tasks. Its dual functionality makes it a practical choice for those looking for an all-in-one grooming solution. Key features: this trimmer features a dual-sided head with trimming and shaving options, an ergonomic handle, and adjustable combs. It is waterproof and cordless, offering flexibility and convenience during use. The trimmer also includes a precision detailer for added accuracy. Benefits and usage: the Remington Trim and Shave allows for both trimming and shaving, making it a versatile tool for various grooming needs. Use the trimming head for longer lengths and the shaving head for a closer finish. Its waterproof design ensures ease of use and cleaning. Usability: users find the Remington Trim and Shave easy to handle, with its ergonomic design enhancing comfort during use. The dual functionality and adjustable combs offer customization for different grooming preferences. The cordless feature adds convenience for maneuvering. Durability: built with robust materials, the Remington Trim and Shave is designed to be durable and long-lasting. Proper cleaning and maintenance will help ensure it remains in good condition and continues to perform effectively. And finally, at number 5, we have Veet Sensitive Touch Electric Trimmer. The Veet Sensitive Touch Electric Trimmer is designed for gentle and precise grooming in sensitive areas. Its compact design and specialized features make it a popular choice for those seeking a reliable trimmer. Key features: this trimmer comes with multiple attachments, including a precision head, trimming combs, and a hypoallergenic blade. It is cordless and features a compact design, making it easy to use and store. The trimmer is also designed to be gentle on sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the Veet Sensitive Touch Electric Trimmer provides precise grooming with its range of attachments. Use the precision head for detailed work and the trimming combs for uniform length. Its compact size makes it convenient for travel and storage. Usability: users appreciate the trimmer's gentle operation and ease of use. Its hypoallergenic blade is suitable for sensitive skin, and the cordless design adds flexibility during grooming sessions. The compact design makes it an excellent choice for on-the-go grooming. Durability: the Veet Sensitive Touch Electric Trimmer is made with quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability. Regular maintenance and proper care will help extend its lifespan and maintain its performance. Choosing the best pubic hair trimmer for ladies involves considering various factors, including precision, comfort, and durability. The trimmers reviewed today offer a range of features to suit different preferences and needs. Whether you prioritize versatility, gentleness, or ease of use, there's a trimmer on this list that's perfect for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and grooming tips.